Hey, friends. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup and to my bathroom. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning and chat about mom topics. So hop on, say hello, drop me some comments, let me know what do you think, and let's get started. So my hair is a work in progress. I don't have time to curl it right now, but I'm going to go back and curl it. But I did use my mom best friend, my Restore and Detox natural dry shampoo, so it's soaking up all those oils and I'm giving it a little bit of time. So let's hop in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I am loving our Clean Beauty Farm RX with the eye cream and the serum. It's doing all the good things with natural ingredients for my skin. My skin is glowing. Hello, can't go wrong with that. I'm going to use my new Cashmere Caress Me Skin Perfecting Primer Cushion. So let's hop in. Let me show you how cute this little compact is. Such a great Mother's Day gift. So you just take your little puff and pat it in, and then just put it in the areas that you want to prime, and you just pat it in really lightly. I'm going to go under those eyes because it's always good to get a little bit of primer under that area. On that nose, which seems to be my most trouble area. And then all around, it feels like cashmere going on your skin. Feels so good. We're using all the cashmere things today. So let's do this. So I'm going to go in now with my Cashmere Complexion Foundation in shade Cannoli. It is 24-hour wear. It has great coverage. Kind of putting, my husband calls these my war straps. Putting my war straps on. I ordered a new shade. I'm waiting on it to get here because my skin is kind of, I've been saying this for a little while. I'm in a transition phase. So I'm going to mix in a little bit of buttercream too. I have like 50 shades just because I love this and I've been playing with all the different shades. So just gonna add in a little bit of this one. There we go. And we'll blend it all together. It's kind of like being a mixologist, right? As a mom, you find ways to mix all the things together. I'm using a good blending brush. It is the DU Care blending brush, and I'm just blending it all in. It's kind of, I was thinking about how I blend things the other day. I was making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for my boys, and in the middle of doing this, I ran out of jelly. So they love grape jelly. So I had enough for like one sandwich. I have two boys. Not a good situation. So I got to looking in my icebox, and I had a little bit of apricot jam, which they're not huge fans of, but let me tell you, my genius mom hack. You need to try this. So I'm going to fix this light just a little bit. So I took that grape jelly, and I put half of it on each sandwich. This is our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. And then I took the apricot jam and I put it a little bit on each sandwich. So it basically looked like grape jelly. And then I added their peanut butter. They never knew the difference and ate it right up. So win for mom. We have to take those victories, right? Whatever victories we can get. Okay. I'm running low. I'm waiting on a shipment of new concealer, so I can definitely tell. I'm going to let that set there just a little bit. And go back in just a second. We'll work our brows with our Tattoo Station pencil. I don't feel like I smoothed that out well. So I'm going to go back over it with a brush. Here we go. Let's try this. Yes, so much better. Some days You just got to do things a little bit differently than you normally do. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. I can set that with some powder here in just a second. So I brushed up my brows. Now I'm going to roll up my pencil and get started on these brows. So what are some things that you mix around for your family? You know, sometimes it's not as simple as a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and changing those things up for our kids. Sometimes it's finding creative ways to get them off of screen time. This has been a total battle in my house lately. For some reason, my children have become attached to the devices. It's like they are just sucking them in. You know, when I was a kid, we played outside, we rode bicycles, we played games with our friends, I played baby dolls, you know, all the things. And kids are just attached to electronics. I have a friend whose son is a gamer, and they have to like limit his game time. My boys aren't gamers, they're YouTubers. They love YouTube. Okay, let's go in and powder and set that under eye just a little bit with our Magic's Dust Powder. So I've decided that I kind of need a system on this, getting my kids off of the screen time. So this is my plan. I've only done it one day, so I'll keep you posted on how it works. So we are going to do a chore and earn screen time. So it could be like read a book. It's not really a chore. That should be like a recreational activity, but you know, do an activity, earn screen time. So change out your laundry and earn screen time, or read a book, earn screen time. Clean up the table, earn screen time. But, you know, just finding little ways to use screen time as a reward instead of an expectation. I know I can't be the only mom in this battle. There has to be others of you out there that are like, preach it, girl. I am here. I am with you. I have this battle. So I'm trying to see. I'm not seeing comments. So, okay. Let's get this screen up just a little bit closer. Okay, let's go in now with our cashmere eyeshadow. Loving this palette. I've been showing it to you guys because it's brand new. It's in our Mother's Day collection. So pretty. I'm going to go in with this shade first and do that as my transition color. So I'm thinking, let me know if this is something you have done. I'm thinking about doing like a chart of activities that we can do to earn screen time, so that it's not me constantly having to come up with ideas. I have a chart, and it's easy to direct the kids to a chart. My kids are nonverbal, and they can read, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know that they can read. So I'm going to use this pink color right here and a little bit of that brown next to it, and I'm going to pull this in out here on the edges. But I can do it with pictures. You know, if you have little guys, maybe they can't read, but you could put pictures of the task and then pictures of the reward, and they can pick it up that way. So, good morning, Rebecca. Hey girl, how do you get your kids off of screens? That's what I'm talking about this morning. So this is my plan. Do a task, earn screen time, whether it be TV or I love those colors. They are so pretty. I'm going to go in now with this lightest shade. I'm going to highlight just a little bit under the brow line, under the brows. It's just a good neutral color. Kind of blending that all in. So pretty. You know, and then also making an opportunity for us to go outside. We are blessed to live in the country, and I've always truly enjoyed being outdoors. They have to have interaction. They have to have adult supervision. So that means I'm outside a lot, which is okay. But I need to also be more disciplined myself, I think, in directing that task. We're going to do our Super Extend liquid liner today and add a pop of liquid liner. When I was a kid, I was thinking about this when I was thinking of ways to get my kids off the screen time. When I was a kid, my mom would like take the telephone and the cords and the remote with her to work and be like, you have this list of chores you need to get done. And when you get done doing them, then you can find some activities to, do. And I had an older sister that would keep us. So we worked our chore list. And then we played outside like kids do. It's just nuts to me. It is a daily fight. It is a little bit difficult to talk while you're lining your eyes, so. Perfect. Okay. Let me do this other underneath. So, have you already put your wish list in for Mother's Day with your family? My husband was asking the other day, what would you like for Mother's Day? And I was like, I can think of a million things, but the thing I would like the most is just a nice, relaxing day with my family, not having to cook or clean, and just rest and spend quality time. And he was like, well, that's really not a gift. Love mascara. I was like, well, if you have to get a gift, I'm all for a massage or, something like that to do with relaxation. I mean, I can't be the only mom that feels like our stress levels are 90 to nothing all the time. Okay, we are going to do Love Mascara on these lashes. I'm starting at the tips, and then I'm working back to the base. I seen this little tip the other day, and it definitely helps with lengthening and more volume in your lashes. So, if you are one that you're like, I need some of these makeup products, girl, order yourself your own Mother's Day gift. This is my little tip. If I left it up to my boys, there's no telling. So we have this amazing cashmere Mother's Day collection. We have the 10 face mask, which are awesome for a great bubble bath and a face mask. Every mom deserves a great bubble bath. For $20, and you get 10 face masks. They're also in this Mother's Day collection. So pretty. I love mascara. I know I tell you guys that all the time. Okay, we're going to do our cashmere highlighter and blush combo. Look at those colors. Is it not beautiful? It's so easy to put on. So I'm going to take my blush brush and I'm going to swirl. Whoop. Look at that. It's putting this beautiful color. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, we are going to finish up with our cashmere lip cream in Chic Cocoa. Surely alive, he's revving on the inside. Okay, that's our look today. So if you want to check out any of these products, let me know. You need some of this super cute Mother's Day collection. Also, I can help you with color matching your foundations and finding the perfect easy makeup routine. So leave me a message below, or you can shop my link at youravon.com/jwoolsey. $60 free shipping. Order yourself a Mother's Day gift. Bless a small business and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Have a good weekend. Bye, guys.